What are you at, dirtbags? Long time no see. Dirtbags?
Dirtbags.
Yeah. All dirtbags that watch me, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Now, if this thing starts, it's gonna be a good day. But she has been going in a hot minute. What do you think?
I don't know. I'm not confident.
I don't know yet. This is like right behind my house. I feel like this could be potential for a nice little mud line right here. Maybe on the way back, me and Brandon's gonna stop here, get some cool pictures going through this. It's pretty mucky, but it's like not deep. So once we get our tires in this, it's gonna be pretty cool, I think. Another one right here. Got potential. It really does. Take the boy out of the bay, but you can't take the bay out of the boy.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. I'm still at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot still trying to flip it out the stove. Rocking fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, might crash, it's a good die young. Yeah, a good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home.
Remember last time down through the middle was pretty best time. I hope we went out there.
I got a weight.
I got no hook.
I got a weight.
Good enough. Go chase him now. I'll get out of her. Here. That's recording. I couldn't get out! Right, take the winch on her, boys! I'll break out the little camera now, get some pictures of Brandon and myself. Do some mudding first time in a few months there. I just got stuck, you've probably just seen that anyways, but man, I miss this. I don't ride like I used to. I don't. I'm thinking if I go out around here, I should be able to get some nice shots of them. My turn now. As much as this sucks, you gotta do it. Some people just leave the mud on their bikes for weeks. Well, not worth it. I'm talking to the dirt bags. Yeah. Oh man. I just like getting the heavy stuff off her. Just make sure there's nothing wrapped around your axles or wheels cause damage. And no one wants a broken axle on their own. We've all been there, but some more than others.
As we're talking down.
Boys, the GoPro's dead. Not good. So we're going back to the iPhone footage here now, like old times when I first started the channel. Anyways, me and Brandon here. Me and Brandon's gonna pick along this nice little river and see where she goes. Catch some views.
swipe out the G-Shock. Moving slowly, I know the street hype. No more double, go ahead a detox. Yeah, yeah. Came from the trenches, they ain't showing us no love. Thugging in the city, all we wanted was a hug, yeah. We on the block like every night to catch a buzz. Get the cash and take my family out the hood, that's a must. Was a hood baby with no soldiers. Bad past never left my mind, it's taking over. No, I should've died, that's why it's hard to stay sober. Glad to see the sun, but my heart getting colder. Life's so crazy, what we been through. When you die, the only time that they gon' miss you. Tell my mama no more tears, no more tissue. Ooh, just some hood baby with some issues. Hood baby from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Hood baby from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. I'm glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Pull up in the rain, see me ballin', yeah. 30 piece on my wrist like I'm Harden. Either they love me or I'm a target. Cause the ice on me is flawless.
Listen here, dirtbags. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel or video, whatever. See you on the next one.
All this pressure make it hard not to relapse. Build up aggression, make it